Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Webull stock. First, you'll need to download the Webull app and open a new brokerage account. The process is straightforward and typically takes just a few minutes. You'll be asked to provide some personal information and complete identity verification, so have your ID ready. Once your account is approved, you can proceed to link your bank account, which is essential for funding your trades. After your account is set up, the next step is to fund it. Webull offers several convenient deposit methods, including ACH transfers and wire transfers. ACH transfers are common and usually take about 3 to 5 business days for funds to become available for trading. If you need to trade sooner, a wire transfer is a faster option, often processing within 1 business day, though it might incur a small fee from your bank. Now that your account is funded, you're ready to place your first stock order. Navigate to the search bar and type in the ticker symbol of the company you want to invest in. Once you've found it, select Trade and choose your preferred order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price you're willing to pay. Enter the number of shares or a dollar amount, then confirm your trade. Webull offers many advanced features to enhance your trading experience. You can explore detailed charting tools and various technical indicators to help you make informed decisions. For those new to trading or wanting to test new strategies, Webull's paper trading feature allows you to practice with virtual money, completely risk-free. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This helps you stay refreshed while you're learning and trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.